Hey traders, welcome back. Today it's XTB versus Trading 212. Two top platforms battling out for your trades. Whether you're into stocks, forex or CFDs, I've got the rundown to help you pick. If you want to start with XTB, grab my exclusive affiliate link in the description below. Let's begin. Right, so XTB, founded in 2002 in Poland, is a publicly traded broker on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, known for CFD trading and a sleek platform. Trading 212 launched in 2004 from the UK, pioneered commission-free stocks and has a massive user base. Both are regulated, XTB by FCA, CYSEC, Trading 212 by FCA and VFSC, offering solid trust. Okay, next we have fees and costs. XTB gives you a commission-free stocks up to $100,000 monthly turnover with spreads like 0.8 pips on Euro and USD. No withdrawal fees, but a $10 inactivity fee after a year. Trading 212 offers zero commission stocks too, with spreads around 0.7 pips on Euro and USD, and no inactivity fees, just a 0.5% FX conversion fee. XTB is cheaper on CFDs, Trading 212's simpler. Right, features and platforms. XTB's XStation 5 is a pro-grade platform, fast execution, 47 indicators, and top-tier research. Trading 212 keeps it under the user-friendly base with its Earn app, great for beginners, plus fractional shares, but no advanced tools. XTB's for technical users is best. Trading 212 is for ease. Okay, and before we end the video, assets and fit. XTB has 5,900 plus CFDs, which is stocks, forex and crypto, and 3.6 thousand real stocks. No crypto ownership. Trading 212 boasts 7,000 plus instruments, including real stocks and ETFs, with a wider forex range. XTB's for CFD pros, and Trading 212 is for stock investors. Okay guys, so XTB versus Trading 212. So XTB's your pick for low cost CFDs and pro tools, while Trading 212 shines for commission-free stocks and simplicity. Love this? Smash that like, subscribe and comment your choice below, and start trading with my exclusive XTB affiliate link in the description below. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time.